Bulletproof Bookkeeping. Document your expenses with Bilbies. There are probably about a handful of really popular applications in the accounting industry that a lot of us know and use and share with one another. That you can use. You can pick from among them as far as what you want to do about tracking your receipts and bills and expenses in general, right? And the main thing is, at least from where I'm coming from here with Bulletproof Bookkeeping, is being able to prove the amounts that are on my books, right? Every number on every line item from every financial report that I produce out of my bookkeeping system should be able to be proven. And if somebody at random picks a few expenses and says, show me these, it shouldn't take more than about 60 seconds to access them and produce a copy, right? And I went over in the write-up why just having the statement isn't enough. The statement doesn't prove enough about the transaction. It proves when it happened, how much it happened for, it proves where you spent it, but it doesn't prove what you paid for, right? There's lots of places where I could get a receipt, and I use the examples a lot in social media lately, where I could have a receipt from a gas station, but that doesn't mean I bought gas. I could have bought a cup of coffee or food, or I could have bought a combination of those things, right? And if I did, then that receipt would need to get split up. What portion went to fuel, what portion went to food, and so on, right? So I'm using the example of Best Buy in the write-up. Let's say somebody was coming in and scrutinizing my books and saying, I want you to prove all of your Best Buy expenses to me. This is how easy Bilbies makes this to do. I'm logged in already. I'm in my company. We're going to go to Reports. And right here in the search, I'm going to start typing Best. Instantly, it filters out the 2 transactions I've had this year from Best Buy. But let's say we need to go back to January of 2018. No problem. Okay, when it finishes the search, it's going to clear out the search after updating the date range. So I'll just type that back in real quick. And boom, and now I have every transaction from Best Buy from January 18th through today, which is May 27th, the day that I'm recording this video. But watch this. Wait, there's more. We're going to select all, and we're going to export these to Google Sheets. And I'm going to choose Selected Bills or Receipts. I'm going to confirm which of my Google accounts I want to export this to. Okay, and it dumps everything in nicely. Notice it gives me the bill, the link rather, to the bill or receipt right here in Google Sheets. So I could share this with somebody. I could share this with the auditor or the banker who is ever trying to scrutinize my accounting, right? But also, I want to sort this because it also has the monthly payments I make with Best Buy, as many of you probably know. You get like 12 or 18 months no interest. So if you're smart, you do the math, you figure out what the payment needs to be and make sure it gets paid off before the interest-free period is expired, right? So we're going to sort by the amount because I don't need those payments in here, which is all these $300 payments, right? So we're going to get those out of there. Get rid of the entire rows. And now I'm left with just the real charges, right, that went onto my Best Buy account. So this is for a service plan. I don't even know what this is. I don't remember what that's for. But as you can see, I can click over and find out in 2 seconds what it's for. Here are my receipts, right? So, and this was actually for a camera lens that I got last year. So that is my story, folks, and I am definitely sticking to it. The reason I love Bilbies is because I just gave you the exact demonstration of how easy Bilbies makes it to find and flag and produce copies, to produce proof of the expenses. And to me, that's what Bulletproof is really all about. It's not just about being able to find and produce the receipts. It's about being able to do it quickly, because even the speed or the ease with which you're able to produce that stuff, if you're under any kind of scrutiny, that inspires confidence on the part of the auditor. I know this because I used to be an auditor. I know that when it looked like somebody was scrambling to find stuff, it meant they were disorganized. You know, what else is disorganized? What else is sloppy about the way they're doing things, right? If I see that they have expenses that should be capitalized that were booked as expenses, you know, again, what other corners are we cutting? Where else are we being laxed about the accounting and bookkeeping, right? That's what we're talking about. When it's bulletproof, we're not lax about anything. We take the time, we document, and we're detailed. And if I need to split up a gas receipt between gas and food, I do it because, again, when somebody's scrutinizing and they look at that, that goes that much further to inspiring confidence that somebody's really taking care to make sure things are classified exactly right on this set of books. And that's what Bulletproof Bookkeeping is all about. My friends, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, post them below wherever you happen to be watching this. If you're on Vimeo or YouTube, check the description. There's going to be a link over to the blog. This is going to be on the new blog, which you do have to register to access, but it's totally free, and you only have to do it once. It's just because I'm trying to organize the blog like a free course on our new website. It enables me to organize the stuff in a way that's going to make your life a whole lot easier when you're looking for something in particular. So hope to see you there. Hope to see your comments, questions, and feedback. I hope, as always, that you learned something here and had some fun along the way. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the web.